Hey, what's up everybody? It's me again, and this is my 5th Blu-ray update, in which the Blu-ray I got just came out today. Yep, you guessed it, James Cameron's Avatar.
That was so long time ago when I bought the regular bare bones Blu-ray of Avatar back when it first came out. Well, guess what? This is my 5th unboxing video and my 26th Blu-ray update because look what I got. I got my package from Blue Collection. And I actually have a guest with me. My mom. Because as some of you may know, I ended up winning the 3-disc extended Blu-ray of Avatar. And speaking of Avatar, I'm actually wearing my t-shirt right now. For Avatar, basically. Yep, that's right. I'm wearing my t-shirt for Avatar. Mom, can you help me out here? Yep. There it is. Anyways, I already opened the package up because I was too excited. And, yeah. Okay, the package has now been opened. Yes, there it is, the extended Blu-ray of Avatar. 3-disc Blu-ray set. Hold on a second. And I'm gonna unbox this for you guys. And for myself because I can't wait to watch this. Can you help me out here, Mom? Yeah. You're just showing off the slipcover while I'm unboxing it. And let me have the camera back now. Okay then. Wow, look at this. This really nice packaging. Wow, there's inserts in here. There's this random thing. Followed by more inserts, basically. A guide with all the special features. And look, pictures of the movie. How awesome is that? I'm trying to understand this deep connection the people have to the forest. She talks about a network of energy that flows through all living things. And this is where the discs are stored. So, yeah. This is the first disc. And let me just put it back in. There we go. Sometimes it's kind of hard to put back in. There we are. More pictures. The Na'vi say that every person is born twice. The second time is when you earn your place among the people forever. And here's the second disc. And the third disc is right here. Hold on a sec. I was a warrior who dreamed he could bring peace. Sooner or later, though, we always have to wake up. And this is the third disc. Here it is, the third disc. There we are. Fly now with me, my brothers, sisters, and we will show the sky people that they cannot take whatever they want, and that this is our land. And yeah, a really nice addition. If you ask me, a lot better than the bare bones release, because you get 3 versions of the film and a butt ton of special features. And forgot about the inserts. I forgot there were inserts in there. Hold on, guys. The sticker, or the security thing, was like this. And the stuff was like this. Oh my gosh, there's a ton of inserts on this thing. And you just put all this stuff back in there. I can do this. And yeah, can't wait to watch this. Can you, Mom?
I can't wait to watch it.
And yeah, this has just been my 5th unboxing video and my 26th Blu-ray update. And I will see you next time. Take care, everybody, and so long. This release is bad, but this release is good. So yeah, see you guys later.